You will not get fired. You'll likely keep your job, your title, and your routine. But what you will lose is your value. In this video, we will explore token employment, what it means, and how the entire system will collapse as AI takes more and more of our work. Before we dive in, consider leaving a like and join the AGI Insider to always be ahead of the curve, with daily content on AI, AGI, and tips on how to come out victorious. Because while you sit in that meeting, AI already made the decision, wrote the report, and delivered the outcome. It's not a level of efficiency humans can compete with. So you're not being replaced. You're simply being left behind. That's what happens when purpose gets automated. In offices around the world, it's already happening. Roles are still filled. Calendars still packed. But AI is doing the real work, behind the dashboards, under the surface. A marketing manager? The strategy came from predictive analytics. A financial analyst? The forecast was generated by AI. A customer service lead? Tickets were resolved by a chatbot before any human even saw them. These are the ghost jobs. You still clock in, but the purpose is gone. The system is just keeping you busy. For now. This is the birth of token employment, to mitigate mass job losses. We used to fear being fired. Now the fear is being kept quiet. Not because you're needed, but because appearance demands it. Because compliance requires it. Because some executive hasn't yet admitted you're obsolete. That they too are obsolete. Executives aren't replacing you with a bang. They're replacing you quietly, with almost unnoticeable pace, because they know they are next. Our value will be routed through code, leaving you employed, but pointless. We thought the threat was unemployment. We were wrong. The deeper threat is meaninglessness. Life without purpose. You can keep the job title, the role, but when AI writes your reports, crafts your slides, makes your decisions, what's left? This isn't science fiction. Think about it. It's already embedded in Google Docs, Zoom, HubSpot, Notion, Salesforce. Every tool now whispers, "We've got this." You just watch, present the output, and pretend it was yours. That's not employment. That's simulation. The coming of the hollow class. We are on the edge of something no one is prepared for. A global class of workers with jobs, but no actual function. They'll show up, follow prompts, click through workflows, while AGI runs the true machine underneath. And at some point, maybe companies will ask the question, why are we paying them at all? That's when the system breaks. Not with a mass layoff, but with a mass realization. The old economy ended without anyone noticing. By now, this channel is not about fear. It's about awareness. Because if you can see what's coming, you can adapt faster than it hits. The future won't just reward skills. It'll reward clarity, speed, the ability to pivot while others deny. If you're not just here to survive this shift, but to understand it, face it, and outthink it, subscribe. Because the world won't stop spinning. And AGI won't wait for permission.